We are very pleased with the benefits since we have the Eurochef fryer. It's an outstanding machine.
All our products are fried in a short time. Fish, meat, potatoes, all at the same time. Everything you want.
Even onions battered with beer, peppers, to the French fries with the cutlet or with the hamburger. Polenta, even homemade products.
Ascalana olives, mozzarella sticks. We fry all types of food. We need a fryer able to simplify our work. You put the portion of French fries in the small door, drop it off. You'll be warned when it's ready. Just put some salt, serve it with some ketchup and mayonnaise. The game is done.
Since we purchased it, it has changed my life. It is very practical. It does everything by itself. When you turn it on, you just have to load the products in, and you have the time to do other things without looking after the fryer.
We're very pleased with the benefits of the Eurochef fryer. We prepare products made with buffalo mozzarella, from sandwiches to fried products. Our machine has the automatic side and the manual side. In the manual side, we mainly fry the chips. Our customers appreciate them so much. We serve chips in our customised Tipico cone. In this way, people can walk through Ferrara, tasting our chips.
More or less, it has a capacity around 20 to 30% less than a big fryer for industrial kitchens. The difference is that you can use this one even in enclosed and small spaces. For example, a caravan or a small van. With different fryers, you don't have the possibility to do this.
Even during the evenings, when there are important football matches, when the pub is full, as on Friday or Saturday nights, when there's lots of requests, the fryer is quick and can work with any problem.
It's very quick, it doesn't give any problems, the products can be fried continuously.
If you come to our pub on a Saturday night and the place is full, I cannot say the number of portions, maybe 300 to 400 portions of French fries, and there's zero smell. No smell.
It does not emit smoke. It's a completely sealed machine, so it does not smell. Considering that we fry approximately 3,000 kilograms of food per year, we know we are selling a great product. The food sells itself.
The customers are satisfied because the fried products are not greasy.
Crispy, friable, and at the same time not greasy.
We've been using this machine for 20 years and we're very satisfied with our choice. This is confirmed by the fact this is the third machine we buy.